Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm your practical teacher, and this is your practical class. Now, in today's class, our topic is my body or our body. Now, in your previous general knowledge class, you have learned about some external body parts, the parts which was visible to you, the parts which you can see. So you have learned about the external body part, but in today's class we will learn about some internal body parts, the parts which we cannot see and are inside our body. हमारी body के अंदर जो parts होते हैं, these are the internal body parts. So today we will discuss about those internal body parts. एक्सटर्नल बॉडी पार्ट्स वो जो आपको नज़र आते हैं, बट इंटरनल बॉडी पार्ट्स वो जो आपको नज़र नहीं आते हैं, एंड दोज आर ऑल्सो द पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. So, before going to that topic, we will discuss about the external body parts. Now, here are the picture of some external body parts, the parts which you can see. You can see your hair, you can see your head, your eyes, your teeth, your ear, your mouth. You can see your external body parts. Now, after that, in your class, you have discussed about the five senses. That what are five senses? We have five senses, and those are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. So, here are the body parts which we use for doing all these things. Like we use them for different things. How? We use our hand for touching something, our ears for hearing something, eyes for seeing something, then our tongue to taste and nose to smell. Now, those were the objects which you have learned in your previous class. Now, today we will discuss about some internal body parts. Now, let's get started. Now, do you know your body is made up of different body parts? You have different body parts. You have some external and some internal body parts. But these parts do different jobs. In parts का different काम है. Like you have five senses, तो five senses के लिए भी five body parts use हो रहे हैं. But आपकी जो internal body parts हैं, उनके भी different काम हैं. Like, do you know how many bones you have in your body? You have 206 bones. Yes, it's right. You have 206 bones in your body. These bones are inside your body and they make up your skeleton. जब ये सारी बोन्स मिलती हैं तो मिलके क्या बनाती हैं? आपका skeleton बनाती हैं. Now start from the skeleton. So this is the skeleton which is made up of 206 bones, and that skeleton is inside our body. Now start from the start. What is this part called? This is called the skull. This is called the skull. Where is your brain? Your brain is inside your skull. Your brain is inside your skull. Then second आपके पास है, these are the sockets. Your eyes lay here. These are the sockets. Now these bones are for your nose, and you smell from your nose. Then these are the teeth which you use to chew something, to eat something, and inside these teeth you have your tongue. So this is your skeleton which is made up of 206 bones. Now here we have rib bones. These are the rib bones. And what do? They protect your heart. दे प्रोटेक्ट योर हर्ट. आपका हर्ट जो होता है इस रिब्स के अंदर होता है, सो वो क्या करती हैं? ये रिब्स आपके हर्ट को प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं. नाउ हेयर यू हैव योर शोल्डर बोन्स. देन these are connected by these sockets, but you have your bones connected from each other through joints. आपकी जो बोन्स होती हैं वो थ्रू जॉइंट्स कनेक्टेड होती हैं एक दूसरे से. सो these are your arms, these are your hands, these are your fingers, and your finger bones are connected to each other with joints. These are the joints which is connected to each other. So these are your hands. Then here you have your spinal cord. Then you have your leg bones. And look at the bones. These are connected by these joints. Your bones are connected by these joints. So you cannot see your bones because these bones are inside your body. So you cannot see it. Now these are your legs and these are the leg bones. You use your leg to walk. अब अगर आपकी बोन्स बिल्कुल प्लेन सेम एक ही सीक्वेंस में होती तो क्या होता, अगर इसमें जॉइंट्स ना होती क्या होता, हम अपने पाँव को बेंड नहीं कर सकते थे. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज जॉइंट्स वी कैन बेंड आवर लेग्स, सो वी कैन वॉक, वी कैन रन. Now these are the spinal bones which help us to bend. हमें bend होने में help करती है, हमारी body को bend होने में help करती है. Then these joints also help our hands to work. We work with our hands. We do different things with our hands. Now these rib bones cannot move, but it protects our heart. Here also we have some joints, so it also helps us to move our neck. And here in skull you have your brain. So this is the internal body these are the internal body parts. These bones are inside your body and you cannot see it. And how many bones we have? We have 206 bones. Now that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.